Attorney General Dave Yost says it's time the court put the hammer down.
The neighbors still have to live there. The community still has to deal with the impacts of his pollution. We need to get this cleaned up.
Nearly 1 year ago, Doug Evans settled a lawsuit accusing him of illegally dumping waste and construction debris at 3 of his properties. As part of that settlement, Evans agreed to pay more than $500,000 in civil penalties and clean up the sites with a plan issued by the Ohio EPA and Hamilton County Public Health. However, according to this filing, after several visits to the site by Hamilton County Public Health inspectors this month, the agency sent a violation notice to Evans, accusing Evans Landscaping of being in blatant disregard of the removal plan. The notice included a warning the state would likely take action if the company did not comply within 7 days.
We've been working with this guy for a long time now, trying to get him to clean up his mess, and he just hasn't been making good faith efforts.
Yost is asking the judge to set a date for a hearing on whether the company should be found in contempt of the cleanup agreement. It also asked the judge to force the company to comply with the order or risk up to 30 days in jail and additional fines.
And the whole idea here is to try to get him to clean it up. We want him to be in compliance, not in jail. But if he won't come into compliance, then it's time to go to jail, in my view.
Now, in a statement to Local 12, Doug Evans says his landscaping company has complied with the requirements on 2 of his 3 properties. He says he has been working for months to cooperate with Hamilton County Public Health and the Ohio EPA to clean up the Broadwell property, but Evans says the agencies refused to approve the company's proposed plan and imposed their own plan that Evans says is, quote, unworkable in the field. Now, Evans says his company will vigorously oppose the contempt charges. Paula?
In 2020, a federal judge sentenced Evans to 21 months in prison after a jury convicted him of defrauding the city of Cincinnati of nearly $2 million in small business contracts. Yost says he believes the judge could put that into consideration.
Sure, you can stop watching, but let's be honest, you want to know more. Tap the links or even better, click subscribe to stay in the know.